Myself Basil. This is my computer networks project done in semester 5 of my computer science and engineering course. This is a client server program. It establishes a connection between the client and the server to communicate between them. The client will give instructions to server. The server will listen to that instructions and perform some task. Here we are using Java socket connection. First, we will look into the server code. The server and socket are the objects created here. Server is the object of the server socket. The argument is given as port. We have created a constructed argument here that is 8080. That is a free port. Through this port, the connection is established. After creating server, it will be displayed as server started, and then it will display waiting for a client. Server will be listening to that port till a client gets connected. Socket object is used to communicate with the client socket. Accept function here blocks till a client gets connected. If client connects, it will display client accepted. Input stream object created is created using socket object. Using input stream function, we are writing client's data to input string. We created two string variables, string line and string line 2. String line is used to enter to the loop. Line variable should not be over. If over is comes, it goes out of the loop. If any other value comes, it stays in the loop. We will read the line using input stream and store it in line. If line value is create file f1.txt, we will create a new file. We will create using MyWriter object. f1.txt is the file name. The content in it is hello world. Then we should close it. If line value is cat f1.txt, the value inside it should be displayed in terminal. For that, we are using scanner myReader object. The values will be printed in the output terminal. Then we should close it. If line value is edit f1.txt, a user input value will replace the hello world in the file. We can read it by input stream, and it will get printed in the file f1.txt. MyWriter should be closed. The last condition is line equals delete f1.txt. Then the file we created will be deleted. If file is not created, it will display fail to delete the file. These all are our 4 conditions. According to the value of line, any of these codes will be executed. If line value is over, if the value of the line is over, it will exit from the loop and print closing connection. Socket will be closed and input object will be closed. That is all about server program. Now we come to the client program. First, the socket is created. There are 2 arguments, address and port. Address is the IP address. We have given the local host address here, this one. port should be same as the server. 8080 is what we have given in the server as well. After creating socket object, it will print connected. Input stream and output stream objects are created for communication. The variable string line is created here also. Then there is a loop. If over is the value, then it will exit the loop. Otherwise, the code inside the loop will be executed. We will store input stream values to line using read line. We will then write it to output stream. This will go to the server. It can read the server. After exiting from while loop, we need to close everything, that is input close, output close, socket close. This is all about the client program. Now we'll check the output. We basically need two terminals, one for client and one for server. First, we should execute the server. For that, we execute server java c server.java and java server. It is showing server started, waiting for a client. The accept function has blocked this. We cannot do anything till client gets connected. We should use we cannot do anything till the client gets connected. Now we move to the client terminal and we execute it. So java c client.java and java client. Now it's connected and it is displaying as client accepted here. First we can create the file. So for that the command is create file f1.txt. So now we can check whether it has been created. Yes, the file has been created and it has hello world as the content in it. Next, the next thing is next, the value in this should be printed in the server terminal. For that we use the command cat. So the command is cat f1.txt so the value in the file is printed in the server's terminal, here hello world. The third instruction we are going to give is edit. To edit the file, the command is edit f1.txt. So we can write what we should input in the file. That will be the hello world in that file will be replaced with what we are going to type now. So I am typing my name is Basil Sajeev and press enter. Now we'll check whether the change has been happened. So it is my name is Basil Sajeev. It has replaced the hello world. Next, the next instruction that we are gonna give is delete. So delete is used to delete the file. So the command is delete f1.txt. So the file has been deleted. So now we'll check whether the file is there. So the file has been gone. Okay, and finally, if we can close the connection by giving the literal over. So the connection has been closed. The connection between the server and client has been closed. So this is my CN project. Thank you.